Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Christine Ferreira.
Good morning. It's going to be windy, warm, and then wet later today. We have a wind advisory that goes into effect tonight, and we'll time it out for you here coming up. But this morning, a little bit of a muted sunrise with clouds gradually increasing and thickening. It is mild. You do not need the heavy coats this morning. It's around 50 degrees out there. For the afternoon, windy and warm weather continues with a high of 62. Rain will be developing late this afternoon and this evening ahead of a cold front. So pretty rainy for the evening drive. We could have some strong wind gusts as well. Notice that I have that impact period for you this evening as well as tonight because some of those wind gusts could reach 40 to 50 miles per hour. So we're watching for the strong winds with this cold front tonight. Rain continues overnight, could be heavy at times, and temperatures will be coming down by sunrise tomorrow into the 40s. Tomorrow, I think we stay in the 40s. Clearing skies, blustery, certainly cooler compared to today, and winds will diminish late tomorrow evening. So we get rid of the wind finally, only for it to come back Saturday afternoon. Here's a look at your currents. 36 degrees in Lebanon, our cold spot, because you haven't had much wind to stir up the atmosphere. But where it has been windy, like Lancaster, York, Gettysburg, even Carlisle, you're well into the 50s already, getting a jump start on those temperatures. Let's talk more about the winds. This is the predictor wind gusts, and you see at 3 o'clock, we could have some gusts to 30 miles per hour. But by midnight, those gusts reach 50 miles per hour in a few spots, and by tomorrow morning, we're still talking about gusts around 40 miles per hour. So just be cautious if you have any outdoor objects. Want to make sure they're secured this evening and tonight. And tomorrow, even tonight, if you're driving or early tomorrow morning, hold on to those steering wheels tight. Here's a look at Super Doppler 8, and this is the well-defined cold front we're talking about. Back in the Midwest right now, it's producing quite a bit of rain, and it will be inching toward our area come this evening. I'll stop the clock for you at 5 p.m. Look at that, widespread rain around. Rain heavy at times overnight, along with some gusty winds. There's that cold front coming through, but it's out of here by sunrise tomorrow. Still windy tomorrow. Clearing skies, cooler temperatures, and finally, as we get into Saturday morning, should be a nice sunny start, but then trouble comes in Saturday afternoon. Look at the snow here in northwestern PA Saturday morning. Those could be some snow squalls. I think most of that breaks up before reaching us, but we could have some gusty winds and a few snow showers Saturday afternoon. That's an update to our forecast. We'll keep you updated on that. Here's the predictor estimated rainfall totals, and we're talking about a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch now. Looks like those rain totals have gone up slightly since yesterday. Here's your 10-day forecast. On Saturday, we're watching a few snow showers in the afternoon. It's going to be blustery and colder, 40 degrees, but feeling like the 30s. For Sunday, 44, 54 degrees on President's Day, and we still have those 2 chances for rain next week.